Hey y'all, it's lunchtime on the last day of the month in the car business. We ain't going nowhere for lunch, but I do have a tomato, so I'm gonna make a tomato cracker salad. I've never tried it. I've always heard about it here in the South, seen it on social media too, but I want to try it today. Cut you up a tomato. Got Sophie with me today. I'm just gonna do it in this bowl. I don't have no cutting board. I brought one of my old Rada knives. See how it does when you put them in the dishwasher? Don't do that, but I still don't get rid of it. It's hard to cut up something in a bowl. That was eventful. I have some crackers here. My understanding is that you just put some mayonnaise and crackers in it. I don't know how much mayonnaise. Got my blue plate. I know I used to use Duke's, but blue plate to me is a little better than Duke's, but I like them both. I am going to put some salt and pepper. Got that many crackers? Let's see what we got. I would rather this be swamp soup. And I had some chicken soup in my refrigerator this morning. I forgot to grab it. That's what I had for supper last night. Put it in the freezer. So I just thawed it out and warmed it back up on the stove. And I was going to bring it to work today. Forgot. Here goes nothing. Shut up. No, I don't even really like raw tomatoes. I like cooked tomatoes. That's good. I'm going to put more crackers. It works. I don't know what it is. Sophie wants to try it. You like it? She's like, well, it ain't bacon or nothing, but you want another bite? I don't think she likes it. She does like vegetables though. Apparently not tomatoes. Have y'all tried it? I'll never be able to eat all that, but it tastes good. Y'all try it. I love you. Stay classy.